In the wilderness, there are no shortcuts, no easy days, no comfort zones. Out here, leadership is forged, one challenge at a time. At the Ohio Wilderness Leadership School, we develop the leader within by building strength through adversity and confidence through competence. Because real leadership isn't taught in a classroom, it's earned when the terrain fights back, when the weather turns, when quitting would be easier. We empower students to walk boldly into the unknown and embrace the challenge. Here, grit becomes growth, fear becomes focus, and every lesson learned becomes a tool that could one day save a life. From survival to leadership, from mindset to mission, we prepare you for the moments that matter most. Sign up for a class today at the Ohio Wilderness Leadership School, where leadership is forged in the wilderness and the leader within is awakened.